Okay, let's see this question, guys. If in a triangle with sides ABC, if R1 greater than R2 greater than R3, which are the x radius means x circle radius, then okay, now what we have some options, and they are asking basically a relation between the sides. If we have some relation between the radius, as we already know, there is some relation between s minus a, like between the radius and the side of the triangle. Okay, I'm going to write the formula again. I always request you to write the formula always whenever you're doing any sums. It will be more helpful for you in the future. So R1 is nothing but delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, and R3 is nothing but delta by s minus c, which we know already. Okay, now since we know that R1 greater than R2 greater than R3, so I'm gonna substitute these values here. So delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, and delta by s minus c. Okay, guys, here we have a slightly very important point. If you know the inequalities concept, then this sum is more easier for you. Two concept of inequality I'll use. First thing, reciprocal concept. When we are doing the, if we have given some quantity in inverse or in a p by q form, and if we want to write in a normal single natural number form, okay, so or we want to take a reciprocal of that inequality, in that case inequality will change. Okay, here in this case we know delta we can eliminate easily. So I'll get 1 by s minus a greater than 1 by s minus b greater than 1 by s minus c. So if I want to write this inequality, this whole equation in terms of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, instead of 1 by s minus a, 1 by s minus b, 1 by s minus c, so what we have to do is this inequality will change itself. So okay, I can write this as directly s minus a lesser than s minus b lesser than s minus c. Now we know that s is common, we can subtract the s here. Okay, after subtracting the s, now again every term will have a negative, and we know again one more concept of inequality, that if we want to multiply any number or anything with negative sign, inequality will change again. So by that I'm going to get it, I directly writing here itself, a greater than b greater than c. Again I'm telling you, here the inequalities change because I eliminated s, and once eliminated s, I'm getting a numbers with these sides with the minus terms, and if I want to eliminate negative term also, my inequality will change again. Okay, so it means my inequality will become as the, instead of lesser it will become greater. So a greater than b greater than c. So for that purpose, if I'll see my options, so my option 1, option A is the correct answer. Okay, not big problem, only the conceptual part. If you know the concept of inequality, it means that problem is very easier for us. Okay, guys, so A is the answer.